grill, amo ni ang grill. Yeah, they have to repair it too. So we're saying bye to the car. We had it for 12 years, as old as Chance. Okay, nabangga ni siya last year in February. The damage, may damage dito sa may front bumper. And then, ang damage, repairable siya, pero it's expensive. Tapos, ang value ng car, gamay na lang. So, the insurance will not cover it. So, they considered it salvage. So, it's so sad. So sad. There's lots of memories in this car. We own it for 12 years. About 13 years. Hi guys, so pang unta na ang unod sa ating salakyan. Oh, this one we have to leave now. What is this? Napkin in case of emergency. Tape. You know, ano ang service ang tape? Kaya ko ng pasahero ko mag-ahod, ginatipan ko ang baba niya.
Ay, wow.
Ruler. Pangpapa sa mga gahod. Flashlight. Ano niyo?
It's for side mirror.
Here. Good. Ano ni di? You wanna keep this?
Yeah, it's for light. Yeah, it's for everything.
Coupon. We love coupons. And another tape. And importante ang Lord of Pardon. Amo ni ang guide. Pag ang may mga gloves. What is this?
I don't know.
Oh, pwede niya siya ibutang dito tapos pa I need this one. I think ibutang na dito sa likod ng butang ng do sa rabitan siya para
Sang imo nga mga
bag mo or sang grocery bag. What is this day?
No, I don't know.
Okay, in here. Come here, Dick. I'm taking my little rosary too. Naging bakal ko ni siya sa ano, di ba? Flexi po. Ball pen, another rosary. Tweezers. Some coins for your cart when you go grocery shopping. And then, kilala ko gid kung sino nagbilin si Nede. Perfect. And then, wait, but there's more. Here, I'll put it down here. Okay. Some snack, receipts. Di mo na ba?
Siya tayo na.
Tape measure just in case. There's so much stuff in here. Oh, ang balas ang Lipster Explorer ni Chance when he was maybe 3 years old. So pretty much there's lots of memories in this car. Grabe. So gamay pa si Chance. Bakal naman ni siya. Bulan pa lang siya. Ayan. Sa panahon nga ang mga DVD, pa-music, uso pa. Subong mo ay na sa may gasapak. Ipit pa sa buhok. Oh, there's so much stuff. And another rosary. Tanan ni DVD dito. Yeah, kung sa Pilipinas ni, we don't have to have it repaired. Kaya maantos na lang ta. So, amo nang sa sulod niya. Recover lang man ni siya. Seat cover. Kuwaon taman gihapon ni siya. Himbaklan pa ako ni Arnold sang chair, seat heater. So, kuwaon taman ng saksak ya kay dalon ta na pauli. And this one, let's close this one here. What do we have here? What do we have? Nothing. Nothing in there. What's in here? Oh, this is mine. I'm gonna take this. Just a little background on how we let go of this car. This car that we loved so much. We had it for 13 years. We had it for a long time, and I haven't had any car payments for years, but we have to let it go. Back in February 2021, I had an accident. I rear-ended another car, so it was my fault. I was behind him and the road was slippery, so that accident happened. And so I did not bring the car for repair, even though the insurance will pay for it. I did not bring it because I said that it's a minor damage anyway. So I waited until a year after, and then I decided, oh, maybe if I wait some more, then maybe the damage will get worse. So I said, I'll bring it in for repair. And so I did. So I went to the Honda Collision Center, and they did the coat, and for the coat for repair, for the materials, for the replacement of the bar, because what's wrong with it was the bar, the front bar that behind the bumper. I think there's a bar there, and it's broken and bent, and so that's the only thing that needed to be replaced. and then they did the code and then give it to the insurance, and the insurance denied the payment for the repair. And then they said, because the car is not new, it's older, the worth of the car is not that much, and but then the repair will cost them a lot, so it's not worth repairing the car. So they denied any repair for the car. And so they gave me an option. The option one would be, I'll bring home the car, they'll give me some money, and then I can use that money for repair. If I know a mechanic, I know someone that can do the job, I'll spend that money towards repairing for it on my own. And then, not on my own, but I have to find a mechanic on my own, that's what I meant. And then get it inspected and ready for the road again. And so that option has a downside too. What if that money is not enough for repair? Can we afford to spend more money towards the car to get it repaired? And of course, uh, it will take time. Can we afford to have no second car for a while? That is the big question there. That's a big factor there to consider, because during after work, no, I mean after work, and after school, Chance has basketball training, and I have to drive him, and Arnold is at work. So the second car is very essential to us. And then the option two was that they we can do the settlement, give me the money, and I can use that money towards buying another car. And I decided not to, if I have to take that money, I have to go for the second option. I'm not buying a new car. I don't want any more monthly payments. I was comfortable for a while with no monthly payments, and car was maintained by Arnold. It's fine. Only that car had an accident. So, but anyways, so we opted for option two. We accepted the settlement. The insurance, will give us money, and then today that car, that's the day where we sign the papers, and we have to take out some personal items inside the car, the ones that we had before that, and to clean it up so they can bring it to somewhere, I don't know where to bring, but that car is not ours anymore. So that's why that's what happens. And just learning about this experience is, if you have a damage in your car and your car is older, and if you know some mechanic there that are able to repair your car, you can either bring it to them. I should have not brought it, but this I did not realize. But this is my realization, that if I did not bring my car to the body shop and get somebody to repair it, then I should still have my car until now. But all was done. So, anyways, I'm just sharing this experience to you. So, just in case you have an older car, don't bring it to the body shop. I mean, because the body shop, if they'll tag it, if they tag it as a salvage, because that what happened to me. The body shop, or the shop, they have their certified inspectors and mechanics, and if your insurance will deny the payments for the repair because of the value of your car versus the expenses for the repair, and they will deny it, then that means that they will tag your car as a salvaged. And when they do that, you cannot get your car on the road. You have to get someone to do the repair, get it inspected, and then ready for the road again, safe for the road again. So that what happens to us. Just a little um, experience that I can share with you guys. I hope you guys learned something from this video. And if you have the same experience or a similar experience to this one, and you have something that you can share to for people to see or for people to learn from it, you can comment and share below. Thank you.